Hey, I'm Aman. I'm a owner of Taj India, and I'm going to make a very traditional drink in front of you guys today, which is made out of a yogurt and a rose petal, known as rose lassi. So here's some ingredients I'm going to show you. I got some yogurt in here. This is just a plain yogurt. We make our own yogurt here from whole milk. And then we got this rose petal syrup. This is crushed rose petals. This is a special kind of rose which is grown in India, which is, they crush it. There's no sugar, nothing added to it. So that's why we're going to add a little bit of sugar to it. So that's pretty much it. What we have to do with this is just put some sugar, add that to the yogurt we already have in the jug here, and then blend it a little bit before we put the rose petal in there. Started blending the sugar. I blended the sugar a little bit because the sugar takes a little bit longer time to get mixed to it. Now I'm going to add the rose petal syrup to it. You're going to add, you can add more or less, whatever you want, but normally we add this half a cup of that, which is going to give good flavor and it's good enough for that much of a drink. You can add some ice to it if you want, but normally the yogurt we keep in the cooler, which is pretty cold anyway. And here you go. As you guys see, the color has been changed with the rose petals in it. It's very soothing, frosty kind of drink. If you add more ice to it, it'll be more colder, but I think for today's weather it's good. And then I have a rose water, which I'm going to add a few drops to it. That is like 3-4 drops. That is just to give aroma of it. It has nothing to do with the flavor. It will just give you the smell of the rose. And here we go. It's good to be served.